The song we're playing today is A Million Reasons by Lady Gaga.
There are 4 parts of the song. The verse, in the instrumental, and the chorus, and the outro.
And the people
In our band is Olivia,
which is playing piano,
Neha,
which is playing the melody,
Arjun,
who is playing the guitar,
Layla,
who is playing the drums, and Remy.
and I'm playing the bass.
Okay, what's the name of the band?
The name of the band is The Phoenix.
Awesome. Okay, welcome to Phoenix. Ready to go. Okay, ready? Okay, let's make sure everybody's ready. 1, 2, ready, go.
My name is Ricardo Constant. I'm playing bass. This is Cora, my sister, playing the piano's harmony. John Pablo playing melody, and Jazzarita on the drums. This is our band, the Sparkling Stars. We are playing The Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay.